Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best high chair cover for babies, the PILLANI shopping cart and high chair cover. If you're a parent, you know how challenging it can be to keep your little one comfortable and safe while you're out shopping or dining. This product takes the stress out of public outings by providing a hygienic, cozy space for your child. First, let's talk about convenience. The PILLANI cover is a 2-in-1 solution that works as both a shopping cart cover and a high chair cover. Whether you're grabbing groceries or sitting down for a meal at a restaurant, this cover offers 360-degree protection. The soft, breathable cotton fabric shields your baby from germs, dirt, and discomfort. No more worrying about the cleanliness of public carts or restaurant high chairs. Installation is a breeze. You can set it up in seconds, even with your baby in tow. The cover fits most shopping carts and high chairs, so no matter where you're shopping or dining, you're ready. It folds down into a compact, travel-friendly size and even comes with a handy pocket to store it when not in use. When it comes to comfort, this cover truly shines. It's made with a cushy anti-slip suede fabric on the sides, a soft cotton top, and a thick padded bottom cushion. Your little one will feel snug and secure, whether they're lounging in a cart or sitting in a high chair. The added safety features, like the integrated safety belt and buckle, ensure your baby stays in place. Additionally, the cover has multiple pockets for your baby's essentials. There are snack pockets, a bottle holder, a smartphone pocket, and even toy loops for entertainment. This thoughtful design makes it easy to keep everything your baby needs close at hand, all while giving you peace of mind. Another huge plus is that the PILLANI cover is easy to maintain. It's machine washable, so cleaning up after a messy outing is no hassle. Just remove the toys, wash the cover, and you're good to go. The quality of the materials ensures that it won't fade or fall apart, even after multiple washes. Finally, we should mention that this cover is OEKO Tech Standard 100 and CPSIA certified, meaning it's free from harmful chemicals, making it safe for your baby. It's a practical, high-quality, and safe choice for parents who want to make their outings easier and more hygienic. If you're looking for the perfect high chair cover for your baby, this one is a top contender. It's not only functional but also stylish, comfortable, and easy to use. So, make your next outing with your little one stress-free with the PILLANI shopping cart and high chair cover. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best baby products out there.